Hello, good afternoon. I'm Cheryl Francisco and we're here at sa rehab ng SISH. Kaya kami nandito because of my son who had an accident last year. And then, na-diagnose siya na meron siyang bone condition, ang osteogenesis imperfecta type 1. Mild naman yung case ng anak ko and treatable siya with the help of rehab. So, after the surgery, his ortho was also here in SISH. And after yung surgery niya, he had to undergo therapy. So, after natanggal yung mga metal pins sa bone niya, we were looking for a very helpful or very siguro I should say magandang rehab kasi nga iba yung condition ng anak ko, hindi namin pwede basta-basta lang ipa-rehab ng hindi referred by anyone. So a friend doctor of ours referred to us yung bagong rehab daw dito sa Cavite, which is itong SISH. Actually, ang sabi nila sa amin, this is one of the best rehab centers in Cavite. And then we checked out, sakto dito nag-surgery yung anak ko, but when we checked out the facility, ang ganda ng place, maluwag, and the equipments are very, lahat sila bago lang. So, we tried and consulted with the rehab doctor. Yung management sa anak ko, at first, akala namin kaya ng 1 month. But with his condition kasi, hindi ganun kadali. So, we are on our 6th month here doing therapy. But the improvements ng anak ko ay napakaganda. Ang handle nila sa anak ko is very, they have to balance because of his bone condition. Kailangan talaga nilang i-make sure yung safety pa din ng anak ko. Just a background, he had a fracture pala, hindi ko na-mention. He had a bone fracture. Both legs niya nagkaroon ng fracture. So, nung na-heal na yung bones niya, so kailangan niya mag-therapy. Almost 3 months siyang walang movement. So, yung first try namin dito, talagang hindi na-bend, walang mobility, walang hirap na hirap siya. Every movement niya, very painful. So, they have to balance yung ano yung kaya i-tolerate na anak ko versus kung ano na dapat yung improvement. So, as tolerated yung unang approach sa kanya. And, true enough naman, ang laki na improvement from hindi na-bend yung legs, now he can bend his legs 90 degrees. And now he's already starting to use a walker para makawalk na siya ulit. So, very helpful sa amin yung therapy dito to help my son regain again his confidence. And they handled Papa with so much care. And ayun, I would really recommend if you are looking for a rehab center, SISH is one of the best here in Cavite. If you are located in Cavite, wag na kayong lumayo. Please check itong facility nila. And they have very nice therapists din and very well equipped na mga very friendly din. And they handle the patient with so much care. At the same time, yung progress is improving from time to time. So I would suggest you try and look for the rehab center in SISH.